In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to correct for wide angle or fisheye lenses in Premiere Pro. So sometimes you want this effect, sometimes you don't, and if you don't want it, it's easy to fix. I find that this effect happens a lot when you film on a GoPro, so maybe that's why you're here. Let's just get started. So I've got my clip selected. I'm going to go to my effects panel. If you don't see your effects panel, make sure that it's checked off under window, and that's where you're looking. So with that in mind, we're going to search the words lens distortion, and I see it here. So now to apply it to my clip, I can either double click it with my clip selected, or you can also drag and drop it on. Now we're going to need to go to our effect controls. Mine happens to be right next to my effects panel, but if you don't see yours, go to window, make sure that that's checked off too. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and that's where lens distortion is. Now, you're going to change the curvature, but before we do that, let's just draw a straight line across our image so we know how the horizon should look. And in order to get that, we can use a guide. And in order to get the guides, you're going to need these little icons. If you don't have them, this little show rulers and show guides, go to the plus sign here and add them in. Mine are already there, so I don't need to do much. I can just pop on my show rulers and pull down, and that is going to activate show guides as well. So now I have a straight line, and when I get those double arrows, I can move this guide just a bit. I want my horizon to be about there. So this is how straight I need it to be. So with that, I can now adjust my curvature. So I'm going to take it down a bit. And if I bring it down to the negative numbers here, I get very close to that straight line. I think that might be best. It's never going to be perfect, but it's definitely going to help. One thing you'll notice here is that it's cutting off some of my image, because in order to straighten the image, I have to lose some of the information on the sides. So you just have to keep that in mind if you're doing this, that you have nothing very important on the sides here. And now if I play, that distortion is gone and I have a straight horizon. So it's a little bit more realistic and definitely a different look. And that's basically it. Just note that, like I said, you're going to lose information on the sides when you remove that curvature. So just make sure that your shot can afford it. And yeah, that's it. That's all you need to know. You can turn off your guides by just hitting that button, and you'll know it's off when it's not light gray anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, give me a like. Check out my playlist in Premiere for more tips and tricks like this. And thanks for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.